Hi, welcome to West Coast Kia. Today we're looking at a 2014 Kia Optima, 2.4 liter engine, 6-speed automatic transmission. Has fog lights, alloy wheels, signal repeaters in the side mirrors. Also says Sirius XM is on, which means the car comes complete with 3 months of Sirius XM radio as a trial. And that big green sticker you saw in the upper right hand corner of the windshield means the car is qualified for the Kia Certified Pre-Owned program, something you probably want to check out, the features and the benefits available under the program. See our business manager. Of course, has power windows, locks and mirrors, has access to your trunk and fuel door on the door. Inside the car, steering wheel has cruise and audio controls. Car only has 89,016 kilometers. AM/FM CD radio, of course with Sirius satellite, climate control, auxiliary and USB input ports, and heated cloth seats in the front. The driver's seat is powered. Plenty of room in the back for passengers, so everybody can ride in comfort. And also a nice big trunk for carrying groceries, sports equipment, packages, anything you need to carry. Finish on the car is a gunmetal gray. Again, the car is at West Coast Kia. We're just over the bridge in Maple Ridge. Best way to make an informed decision about the car is to come on down and drive it, bring the family, make sure it'll suit your needs.